I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your seller account and tax identity match the invoices you'll upload. Gather supplier invoices that show date, invoice number, itemized costs, and tax ID. Scan or obtain PDFs. Once done, open your accounting tool or Excel and map fields. SKU, quantity, unit price, invoice number, supplier name. Make sure supplier names exactly match legal names on Amazon. This prevents later validation errors and speeds verification when Amazon requests proof of sourcing. Next, format files so Amazon and your audit trail accept them. Convert images to searchable PDFs and name files like YIMD supplier invoice hash. Include SKU and purchase order references on each page. Create a CSV that maps invoice numbers to ASIN and quantities. This helps bulk uploads. Then navigate to Seller Central. Use the business documents or seller support case upload where required, and attach both PDF invoices and the mapping CSV. Doing this reduces manual matching. Finally, reconcile your uploaded invoices with inventory receipts in your warehouse management or Amazon shipments. Check that quantities and ASIN match received inventory. Once reconciled, monitor Seller Central for requests. When asked, respond promptly and highlight the invoice lines that prove authenticity. If Amazon rejects a document, compare fields immediately. Common issues are mismatched supplier names, missing invoice numbers, or unreadable scans. Then correct. Rescan and reopen a support case with the corrected evidence to resolve the hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.